Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get a Cash App card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to be needing the Cash App application on your mobile phone to do this. So if you do not already have it, what you can do is go ahead and open up the App Store. Go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and after doing so, go ahead and open up the search bar, and in the search bar, search for Cash App. Search for Cash App, find the application, and install it. So once you have it installed successfully, you'll be ready to go ahead and open it up. So you can go ahead and log in with your mobile number or with your login info, whichever way you prefer. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings that we have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what we're looking for to get our cash card is right here at the bottom of the page. As you can see at the bottom of the page, we have the sections tab, and one of the main options that you can access is this dollar sign in the middle. Next to the dollar sign at the left sign is the card icon. This is what we want to click. So click on the card icon right here next to the dollar sign, and after clicking on it, it's going to open up this new page right here where you can go ahead and get started with managing your cards in Cash App. And guys, this is going to be your Cash App card. So guys, you can see here you can go ahead and get started with creating a new card if you do not already have one. And once you go ahead and create your card, you'll be able to add all the info that you need, such as adding it to Apple Pay, activating the cash card that you want to use, and so on. So this is going to enable you to create your Visa card on Cash App, and with this you can go ahead and then pay and do whatever you want. But basically this is how to get started with making it and using it. That's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.